The prosecution admitted that they don't possess any evidence that will prove that Senator Juan Ponce Enrile directly received kickbacks from the pork barrel scam. Joyce Balancio will tell us why.
There is no evidence yet to prove that Senator Juan Ponce Enrile indeed directly received commissions from endorsing his Priority Development Assistance Fund or PDAF to fake NGOs. The prosecution admitted this on the last day of Janet Napoles' bail hearing at the Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division. During the oral summation, the prosecution and the defense camps were given time to present their strongest arguments on the plunder case stemming from the PDAF scam. The prosecution said they have strong evidence to prove that Senator Juan Ponce Enrile conspired with his agents, Janet Napoles and the other accused, to amass illegal fund amounting to 172 million pesos. Napoles' defense, on the other hand, said the arguments of the prosecution are purely based on testimonies of Ben Hurluy and other whistleblowers and do not provide any other documentary evidence. As Associate Justice Samuel Martires started interrogating the state prosecutors, the latter admitted not possessing evidence at the moment to prove that Senator Enrile directly benefited from the PDAF scam. The magistrate said, based on the evidence by the prosecution, the transactions end after attorney Gigi Reyes allegedly received commissions and there is no proof that she handed it over to Enrile. This loophole will help Napoles win her bail request in court.
Hindi mo pwedeng kasuhan ang private individual ng plunder. Isa-isang pagkakataon lang magkakakaso ang private individual kung nakipag-conspire siya sa public official. Sa case na to, kung ang mismong public officer na sinasabi natin si Senator Enrile, hindi mo mapatunayan na tumanggap ng 172 million, paano mo sasabihin na may kasalanan yung mga taong allegedly nag-conspire sa kanya like Mrs. Napoles?
The prosecution snapped back and said it doesn't mean that their evidence on the plunder case is weak.
Kung naghahanap ang court ng direct evidence, hindi naman nire-require ng batas na direct evidence yan. Kaya nga ang nakalagay doon sa batas, receiving directly or indirectly through his conspirators. Ang plunder law, pag tinignan mo yung definition ng plunder law, hindi naman siya either by himself, he amassed wealth either by himself or conniving with other people.
The bail petition of Janet Napoles is now submitted for resolution after the prosecution presented 29 witnesses and hundreds of documentary evidence. Under the rules, the Sandigan Bayan has to resolve the petition within 48 hours. Meanwhile, the prosecution camp is finished with its presentation of evidence against Senator Jinggoy Estrada in his bail petition before the Sandigan Bayan 5th Division. The NBI examiner Thio and Marisa Santos, the Chief Administrative Officer of the Central Records Division of the Department of Budget and Management, were the last witnesses presented. The Sandigan Bayan gave the prosecution 10 days to submit their formal offer of evidence and 5 days for the defense to file their comment. Estrada's camp is expected to present their set of witnesses and evidence on October 12. Joyce Balancio reporting for Y News.